Here's how to change outfit in Nano Banana. First is what you need to do is to log into gemini.google.com and make sure that it is already connected to Nano Banana account. When you see this logo of banana under the image, it means it is already connected to the Nano Banana. Now upload an image of the outfit that you wanted to change, put on prompts and click on the arrow that you can see to send on the prompts. Afterwards, after sending, you will see there that there is just a second option, which means that the Gemini Nano Banana AI is now processing to change the outfit of the photo that you just sent. And then afterwards, you will see that from the stripes shirt, it is now redirected or changed into a different outfit that you actually apply to prompts.